When it comes to mutual funds, what's the first question that comes into your mind? Are mutual funds risky? That's my mom, Mrs. Shubha Lakshmi Venkatesh Subramaniam. She's not only a lord of this house, she's also a landlord. Every month, जब tenants का rent इस घर में आता है, तब वो पैसे इसी तरीके से रखे जाते हैं. The reason? Let's ask her. Mom, can you explain to the camera what you are doing?
Playing safe. Never keep all your money in the same place. हमेशा पैसों को अलग-अलग जगह रखना चाहिए. इससे रिस्क कम हो जाता है.
Mutual funds also use the same principle. A mutual fund invests your money into a basket of securities. For example, अगर आपने अपने पैसे किसी एक ही स्कीम में इन्वेस्ट किए हैं, तो आपके सारे पैसे किसी एक कंपनी या बॉन्ड में इन्वेस्ट नहीं होते. Just like my mom, उन पैसों को अलग-अलग जगहों पर इन्वेस्ट किया जाता है. So what my mom basically does is follow the principle of diversification. Because of this, the risk gets spread across. Just like my mom says, don't put all your eggs in one basket.
How does one know कि कौन सी कंपनी या बॉन्ड अच्छे हैं कौन से नहीं?
Well, you don't need to. Because your money is going to be managed by a professional fund manager. तो उसकी expertise और research से आपका risk और भी control होता है. So mom, are you going to put the rent money in mutual funds now?
मेरा आइडिया मुझे ही मत सुना. I was going to do that anyway.
So, the answer to our mutual funds risky is risk तो है, पर इस risk को manage करना possible भी है और simple भी. Just remember, diversification and professional fund managers' expertise is the mantra. अब तो mom भी समझ गई हैं. Mutual funds सही हैं.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.